Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add referral program to your Wix website. Now, before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to be on your website, in the back end of your website. How you do that is you go to the Wix dashboard, which is going to look like something like this. And what you want to do is you want to select the site that you want to edit. So let's edit this site right here. Obviously, we actually want to beforehand just select the site, not the edit the site. And from there, what you want to do is this is how it's going to look like. So let me just go here, loyalty and referrals. It's here under loyalty and referrals. You will have here loyalty and referrals. Click on that. You will have referral program. Now you can do it this way, or what you can do is you can also go, let me just close this. You can also go to referral program, and you'll get a couple of apps that you can also use. For example, this app that you can use, it's a great app. You can again, set up your referral program through this app as well. As you can see, set up and launch a referral program in under an hour. Get seamlessly integrated program right on your site, no widget or pop-ups. You can also reward customers with discounts, free shipping, and earn more as referred friends tend to spend more. So obviously you can also do it here. So you can just click start now. And as you can see from here, obviously if you want to run your referral program, you will need a business or VIP elite plan to let your customers refer their friends to your site. So you'll need to upgrade this. However, here you'll be able to go through the program details. So the program name, the reward trigger, right? Is it a planned order or session booked, depending on your site as well. And you'll have your code right here. And you can also select a reward. So for example, it can be a coupon, a discount, a percentage or discount in USD or euros. You can see referred friend reward, whether or not it's going to be coupon or no reward. This is reward newly referred friends, so they're more likely to place an order. And you can also encourage customers to refer their friends with pricing plans and encourage customers to refer their friends via booking. So obviously, since I don't have a VIP or elite plan to let my customers refer their friends to my site, I can just go and save this. And obviously I'll need to select an action for a plan order. Let's say we can also select a reward name. It can be just name for this one, apply to all plans. Let's say 10% discount, and then we can reward no reward for newly referred friends. So we can do that. We can save. That will pretty much be it, right? We can obviously upgrade to run our referral program, but yeah, that's pretty much how you can add a referral program to your Wix website. Again, you can maybe go to the app market and use this to add it to the site. Maybe that would be free to install. I don't know when it comes to the plan, which plan is the best for this. However, this is pretty much how you can set it up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.